The average American family uses over 300 gallons of water per day.
Before it becomes a centerpiece of so many things we use water for, from making our morning cup of coffee to filling up our gym water bottle, water makes a long journey to our faucets. It may come from a variety of sources and can include impurities like dirt, sediment, and particulates. And if you have city or municipal water, the treatment process itself can change the taste and smell of water.
These are just a few of the reasons to filter your water and ensure your family is drinking cleaner and clearer water.
Hi, my name is Jason. It's my wife, Kenley. We've been living in this house for about 10 years. We have 3 children, 2 daughters, 1 son. So we've been living here for a little while now, and it's an older home, so we're just concerned about the quality of the water that we get here.
What Jason and Kenley are experiencing is not uncommon. As you travel to different parts of the country, or even go from one house to another, or go from city water supply to well water supply, you will likely notice the taste and smell is different than what you're used to. Some of these aesthetic differences come from disinfectants like chlorine and chloramines that might be used to treat your local water.
Yeah, it's a little inconsistent. I'll go to a friend's house and it doesn't taste the same. We used to have a bunch of bottles of water in our refrigerator. They took up way too much space. It was a lot of time and money to get them.
Kids would always take a sip and leave it around, and it's just bad for the environment. We used to use the pitcher systems, but I would always take the last glass and leave her with warm water.
Luckily for Jason and Kenley, there's a company backed by over 75 years of science and technology.
The technology that powers 3M filtration goes beyond drinking water. It's used in a number of other areas like production of life-saving medicines, restaurant filtration for soda, coffee, and ice, for beer and wine production, and more. And we thought, why not bring that same technology to your home? When it comes to under-sink water filters, the 3M FF100 is one of the best in the business. It's scientifically designed to reduce up to 99% of lead that may be in the water. It also filters chlorine taste and odor, particulates, protozoan cysts, and select organics. It can filter 6,000 gallons, that's twice the capacity of many other filters on the market. That's enough, not just for drinking for your entire family, but also for washing hands, rinsing dishes, filling coffee pots, and more. Put another way, one 3M FF100 is equal to 45,000 water bottles, 7.5 faucet mount filters, or 18 pitcher filters. Why go through all these water filter replacements when one 3M FF100 can last for up to a year of filter water supply? The 3M FF100 might look like an ordinary filter on the outside, but inside it's anything but ordinary. Its 3-stage filtration system with carbon block and membrane technology provides a filtration you can count on to reduce impurities that may be in the water.
We were talking and we decided that an under-the-sink filter would be a great idea for us.
Yeah, I didn't know if it was going to be too difficult, but it seems easy enough, so we had my dad come out and help us install it.
The 3M water filtration systems can be installed easily in about 30 minutes by a plumbing professional or somebody who's familiar with DIY plumbing projects. You may need plumbing fittings for a home's particular setup, but the installation is easy. You mount the bracket on the wall, you turn off the water supply, you make tubing connections to the filter and the faucet, and then you install the filter and run water through the filters, and then you're done. The system requires very little maintenance. Once installed, the quick change replacement cartridge can provide filtered water for up to 12 months.
Each home and family are unique, and so are the water needs. 3M offers a variety of different solutions to meet your specific needs.
3M also offers whole house water filtration systems that install on your home's main water pipe, so you can enjoy filtered water at every touch point in your home. Not only will you enjoy good flow rates at all these water taps, it will also help protect your water pipes and appliances from corrosion and damage.
We definitely have improved the quality of our water. It's cleaner, it's clearer, it's better tasting, it's more consistent, and we're just so happy with it.
Yeah, we got the 3M filter and it's been great for us. We know what our kids are drinking now.
3M water filtration products are third-party certified by NSF. We believe everybody deserves to have quality water in their home, and that's what we help deliver through our home water filtration systems.
To learn more about how to improve the quality of your water, visit 3m.com/water. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.